Whew. It's cold. Welcome to 4 Kids and a Farm. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to take you along with me as we harvest some ROSELLE hibiscus. So this is actually the first year that we have been growing ROSELLE, and my friend came over the other day and she was super excited that I was growing it. She does lots of Indian cuisine, and so she was super excited because they use a lot of that particular plant for teas and curry and for more specifically like different chutneys and stuff. So anyway, I told her to come over and to harvest some so she could take it home. Some history behind it. It originates from Africa and also the Caribbean. This plant is really cool because you can also use the leaves and you can eat them. They're sour with a little bit of lemon taste in it. Lots of people use it as a drink, so it makes this beautiful red color drink. Some of the health benefits in that bright red, that actually has a lot of vitamin C in it, and so that's supposed to help boost your immune system. It helps aid in digestion as well. I was reading and it was known to cure toothache, so that's interesting. I wonder if that really works. It's reminiscent of cranberry, and so lots of people have used it for UTIs, colds. I've read that it's also like an antidepressant. I don't know if this is true. Weight loss, it has antibacterial properties. It helps with menstrual pain, and it's anti-inflammatory. It also has anti-cancer properties in it. So I don't know, this thing sounds like too good to be true. It also helps with blood pressure management. I think that's one of the biggest things that they talked about as I was reading, is it helps with blood pressure management. It also helps aid with coughs and colds, and so it has like this cooling effect. I'm just gonna have to learn how to use this stuff in all these different ways. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start small, and we're gonna go ahead and show you how to harvest right now. All right, you guys, I've got my snips and I've got my basket that we're gonna go ahead and take with us to harvest. All right, you guys, as you can see, this is the calyx, this part right here. This is the part that you harvest. We're gonna harvest this outside part, the calyx, and then this is the bloom. And we'll pop that sucker out. We'll cut right here at the base of the plant. And then you have this beautiful calyx. So on the inside of the calyx is a seed pod. Sorry to say that, it's like a sweet. So that little green is a seed pod. I want you to see like how thick these are. These are such, it's like a small tree stump, you guys. Comparatively speaking, like compared to my hand, this is the size of my hand. This is like how big the tree stump is. It's not a tree stump, but that's how big the stem is. We've got about 10 plants, 10 hibiscus. So you guys, this is the flower. Isn't it beautiful? Hibiscus is closely related to the okra family, and so it has a lot of that okra kind of resemblance. It has this beautiful red color. I kind of want to dye with it, but so you remove the flower bud. So here, this outside red part, inside is the seed pod, and so we're just popping those out. I won't pop them out right now. I'm just going to go ahead and pick. So, but this, you don't want that in there when you are making teas or whatever you're going to make with this. So, calyx, into the bowl it goes. So one plant, as you can see, One plant can produce up to 12 pounds of these beautiful calyx. It's kind of a lot. I'm gonna pick some leaves to show you. So these are just beautiful, and you can totally eat them too. They have like a sour, it's like this tart taste with a little bit of like fresh lemon. I don't know how to describe it better than that. So I love tea, you guys, and that was one of the main reasons why I wanted to grow this stuff, is for the tea. Just the health benefits of making tea, and this particular one I'm really looking forward to. So I'm gonna go and put him in the dehydrator and dehydrate him and make him into tea. He'll be fantastic. Just go through the jungle over here. So I want to hear from you guys. Would you ever grow this wonderful little plant? If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. You guys, don't ever be afraid to grow something new. This isn't new for us, and I'm actually super excited for this harvest. And I'm glad that we grew it. So don't ever be afraid to grow something new, because chances are you can do a pretty fantastic job at growing something you've never grown before. I just want to leave that encouragement with you. Grow some hibiscus. You can use it for so many different things. Thanks for joining along with me today. I hope you guys are fantastic. We will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys know when 4 Kids in a Farm puts out another one. Thank you guys, and have a fantastic day.